Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Sharon, and if you are here the first time, do subscribe to my channel. Today I'm doing this mysterious bronze look. I am so happy how it turned out to be. I just got excited building up one over the other. So let me show you how I created this look and let's get started. My first step is always moisturizing the skin, and I'm using a sunscreen lotion by Himalaya. A primer is supposed to be a base for all your makeup. So starting off, I'm priming my skin with the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. It helps condition your skin and holds your makeup for super long hours, making you look fresh, crisp and radiant. Here I'm also going to use another primer for my nose and the area around it. So if you have large pores or an uneven skin tone, consider this primer to help reduce or minimize the appearance of pores. This primer by Benefit is one of my favorites. This time I don't really have a good skin. I've got spots and couple of pimples and blemishes. So I'm gonna use an orange corrector by MAC. Firstly, I'm just applying the corrector all over the blemishes, and I will blend them later on with a fluffy blending brush. A skin corrector just masks the imperfection and brings healthy color back to the skin. Then I'm using a concealer by LA Girl Pro Conceal HD in a pure beige tone over all the corrected areas, and I'm blending them with a fluffy blending brush. This concealer has an opaque coverage featuring creamy yet lightweight texture that camouflages dark spots along with dark circles and fine lines. It also helps brighten the look of your skin and blurs it for perfection. And my face has a smooth, flawless finish. Next, I'm using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I'm spraying the MAC Fix Plus on my beauty blender. This is my new favorite product. Firstly, because it is a full coverage and a water resistant foundation, plus it's a concealer. Secondly, it resists extreme humidity and erases redness, under eye circles and any skin imperfections without drying out the skin. Lastly, it has a nice creamy formula that blends seamlessly and gives a smooth, radiant finish. So, all the good reasons to adore this foundation. To set my base, I'm using MAC Prolong Wear Pressed Powder. Then I'm using my all-time favorite L'Oreal Brow Kit. This product has wax, powder and a two-sided brush. So it's kind of a one-stop shop and pretty much all you need for your eyebrows. So I just filled it with an angular brush to go from sparse to bold brows with ease. For my eye base, once again I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD. It just evens out the skin tone and eliminates all redness and fine veins over my eyelids. I am setting it with the MAC Prolong Wear Pressed Powder to create a clean canvas ready for eyeshadow. I'm starting off with a Bharat and Doris Powder Blush number 7 as my transition shade. A transition shade is something that helps to merge colors together and also gives some depth to your eyeshadow. Next, I'm using a deep brown shade from the Faces Nude Eyeshadow Palette. These are highly pigmented shades with intense color payoff. Next, I'm using a bronze shade from the same palette and I'm spraying the MAC Fix Plus for better delivery over my eyelids. Now, just to warm it up a little more, I'm applying a black eyeshadow called Carbon by MAC with a fluffy blending brush just on the outer corners of my eyes. I'm also applying the same shade with an eyeshadow brush on the lower lash line. Next, I'm defining my eyes with the Nykaa 24-Hour Vinyl Luxe Eyeliner. It is a water resistant and a smudge proof product with a matte finish. I'm not a big fan of waterproof products because taking them out is not really easy. You have to use an oil-based remover to take them off, and you just can't take it off with a face wash or a makeup remover wipe. For my lower eyes, I'm applying the Maybelline Drama Gel Eyeliner. What I really like about this gel eyeliner is whether you go thick, thin, smudged or smoky, your look will last for super long hours. Then I felt my eyes needed a little more intensity. So once again I applied a black eyeshadow Carbon by MAC just on the outer corners of my eyes to give it some more depth and further blended it to diffuse any harsh or firm lines. Now for my lashes, I'm using the In Extreme Dimension Lash Mascara by MAC. It has this curl lock formula and delivers intense volume without flaking or bleeding. Now I always like to add a little drama to my look, so I have opted for Falsies by Huda Beauty. And these eyes are ready. Returning back to my base, I am using the LA Girl Pro Contour Cream. This creamy contour product has a buttery soft formula that melts into the skin for a natural matte finish. It helps me sculpt and define my features. To set it, I'm using the Maybelline Face Studio Master Contour Palette. The basic places for contouring include the area under your jawline, the sides of your temples, the hollows of your cheekbones, the sides of your nose and your hairline. For highlighting, I'm not doing too much, just setting it with a loose powder by Parath & Doris No. 7. This enhances the structure of your face by highlighting the good bits. Now for my cheeks, I'm using the Deborah Natural Blush. I feel a blush provides a youthful appearance and gives the skin a healthy looking glow. Next, I'm illuminating all the higher sections of my face with the Maybelline Face Studio Master Contour Palette. I feel illuminators bring an overall radiance to your skin by adding a touch of shimmer. Moving on, I'm defining my lips and filling it with a L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Lip Liner. It is a 630 beige tone. I always recommend lip liners as they are the secret to the perfect all-day lipstick by defining the outline of the lips and holding the color in place. For my lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick Madras Kapi. I'm not sure if I said that right. Anyway, it is a fabulous deep brown shade and it lasts for super long hours. Since this is a mysterious bronze look, I just wanted to go all out and add some more drama by applying the bronze eyeshadow from the Faces Nude Eyeshadow Palette. I just wanted to maybe be a bronze queen. Then I felt to highlight the inner corners of my eyes with the same shade, and voila, I am ready. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and visit my blog. All the links are gonna be down in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. Mwah.